Welcome to my channel Azhar Smart Educator. In this video, we are going to learn what is an angle bisector and how to draw an angle bisector using a compass. An angle bisector, the line or line segment that divides the angle into two equal parts, is called angle bisector. Draw an angle PQR of any measure. Now place the point of a compass on point Q and with any convenient distance draw an arc to cut rays QP and QR. Name the points of intersection as A and B respectively. Now place the point of compass at A and taking a convenient distance, draw an arc inside the angle. Using the same distance, draw another arc inside the angle from the point B to cut the previous arc. Name the point of intersection as point O. Now draw ray QO. Ray QO is the bisector of angle PQR. Measure angle PQO and OQR. Both are same in measure.